Haka senjam menikun persya ke jengwan udrak sa ke jela Meghalaya. Ke Sorkar Meghalaya kelayo ya ka Sanction na ka Ministry of Home Affairs ban Thied ke wek advance scanner vehicle ka ban bu Ratacherra ka belong kelentirung ke bakong san sa ke jela. Habai keren bu ba apoleng do ubedai urang ai but jong ketenat social welfare ula pentip bakani kolong senjam jong Sorkar ban kang iklentirung udrak sa ke jela. Ulitho bay kini kakali skana an kami linti ban bo apa upnai leber jang kesnam ke batamai menta bat kini kan long kasian ke benin kong ka jela ban penen kam ya ki kor ki bor menikun persya ki kam khai drugs haba ai jeng syah lor ke jeng jiat ya Ratacherra ba polong do ulong ba kini kathan kalong ke besyur khaitam namar bobun drugs wan rung na kathan Myanmar bat ka Golden Triangle.
For the first time ever, we had invoked BIT NDPS, which is a more rigorous law ensuring that repeat drug offenders and traffickers are booked under preventive detention for a period of 1 year, which is absolutely non bailable. We have booked six individuals under PITS NDPS. For the first time, we have revisited the VDP Act and ensured that there are better amenities and facilities in order to attract volunteers and the village Dorwas to embrace the VDP as a form of community policing. For the first time, the ANTF has become a dedicated force whereby it has an entire workforce, manpower dedicated entirely to the focus group on the eradication of drug menace. Also, for the first time, we have been able to get trained dog squad, canine squad. Nine dogs have just been now they are have just completed their training, and these will come handy in our effort to wipe out drug menace from the state of Meghalaya. Also, for the first time, we have just received sanctions for a scanner vehicle that will be placed at the entry point to Meghalaya from the Ratacherra sector to expeditiously scan vehicles and ensure that narcotics do not enter the state. So these are all multiple efforts. If I mention everything, it'll take too long. But yes, we are now very focused, and I'm confident that this will yield results. It should take probably another 2 to 3 months. The MHA has just cleared the sanctions, so there are issues of procurement and making sure that the vehicle is ready to be installed, and installation also takes some time. So, as and when we approach the D-Day, I will update you. As of now, we have obtained one, which will be placed, as I mentioned, in Ratacherra sector, which is the most vulnerable point because the entry point of these narcotics is basically from the Myanmar region, the Golden Triangle, and that being the most vulnerable area, we have decided that it will be installed in that sector first, and once that is done, we will then move for the second vehicle. We have gone on a mass sensitization campaign. Now we have reached out to faith leaders, civil society, and the ANTF has been proactively pursuing these offenders on a daily basis. If you go through statistics and also records of confiscated narcotics, you will find that this is showing results, and the ANTF has today entered areas which have not been covered ever in the past. areas which pose a lot of threat, and areas where, because of the lack of presence of the force of law, for instance, areas within the cantonment board, we roped in the cantonment, the CEO and his team got managed to win their support, and now you could see results. One détenu who has gone under PITS and DPS is in fact a major trafficker in the cantonment area. So these are initiatives which I'm sure, with the active support of the community, will help us to first minimize and eventually eradicate drug.